Hello, welcome to the Cart Lock app tutorial series from KlinKode. Today I'll show you how easy it is to block fraud customers from placing orders in Shopify using customer tags with the Cart Lock app. First, you need to assign a customer tag like Blacklisted to your customer's account like this. Now go to the Cart Lock app and click on the Add a New Rule button. Next, click on the Add a New Condition button. From the available options, select the Customer Tags condition. Now, select Hide if found, and in the Customer Tags field, type Blacklisted to block all customers who are tagged as blacklisted. Make sure to give your rule a name in the Rule Name field so you can easily recognize the rule later. In the Error Message field, add a custom message that will be shown to customers with the blacklisted tag when they attempt to place an order. We will keep the other options as they are now. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's quickly test it out. When a customer with the blacklisted tag attempts to check out, they'll see the custom error message you've set, and their order will be blocked. As you can see, I am seeing the error message, so I am blocked from ordering because my account is tagged with blacklisted. That's how simple it is to block fraudulent customers from placing orders using the Cart Lock app. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out via live chat or contact us through WhatsApp or Facebook, both available on our contact page. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for using the Cart Lock app, and happy selling.